to the University of Louisville School of Nursing. I'm Sonia Harden. I'm the Dean here at the School of Nursing today. I'd like to let you know that I have the distinguished honor of introducing our interim president, Dr. Lori Gonzalez. So please, with a round of applause, welcome her to the podium.
Thank you, everyone. What a day to be named at 10 o'clock and then to celebrate this way for our university. It's an amazing day. I want to thank everyone for coming. And you know, we used to have an advertising tagline here that says, "It's happening here." I don't think any of us planned that it was going to have so much happening here. But I'm honored to be here. I'm honored to be at U of L. What we're focusing on today is what U of L is all about. We're about the education and training of students to meet the workforce needs of tomorrow. So I'm thrilled to announce that U of L is going to be able to renovate and build 2 important facilities here at Health Science Center, which will enhance our ability to educate the next generation of our health workforce. Our good friend Ben Breyer with Kindred Health and its foundation is with us today to present a special gift. I suppose I'm to do this. $950,000. Yes. So this amazing gift will support and will fund the renovation and expanded development for a new dynamic student collaboration center in the College of Nursing. You can see the rendering of the building there, and then there's the floor plan out in the hall. So that's going to become the heart of the nursing program, and we all know how much we need nurses in all our facilities. The funding will also enable a build-out of the U of L Traeger Institute's Culinary Medicine Training Kitchen, which will just be wonderful. These 2 facilities will add greatly to us achieving our mission of preparing individuals who will have a significant impact on our community and, frankly, on the Commonwealth of Kentucky. Our nurses are frontline heroes, and Kindred support will only improve their experience and training. Ben, you and Kindred Healthcare have been there a lot. I know you're a good friend of Neely's, and she said that during the transition when we were acquiring the health system that you were one of her best confidants and helped guide her through that process. So because we're here today, I want to thank you specifically for that and on behalf of Neely. It's great that we see our corporate partners investing in our next generation of nursing leaders, and then for your continued support this year for Traeger Institute, and also to our Raise Red student-directed fundraising. So we have a lot to thank you for. So I just want to say to you and everyone at Kindred, we couldn't do it without you, so we're forever grateful for your kindness and your gift. And so it's my pleasure now to turn it back over to Dean Harden, who will tell you about our special guest today, although I think, spoiler alert, I might have already done that.
Well, I really do want to take this opportunity to thank the CEO of Kindred Healthcare, Ben Breyer, for this wonderful donation that he's making. All of the Kindred executives have just been stellar. I've enjoyed meeting many of them over the past year, and I can't begin to tell you what kind of team he has built. One that is extremely strong and one that has instilled within his clinical facilities principles that are very similar to ours. And one of those principles has to do with being part of a team and respecting each individual, as well as always willing to listen to each other. That's the type of clinical environment that I want our students here at the University of Louisville to experience. I also want to let you know that this donation is really going to help set us apart here in the U of L campus, as well as in this city. It's going to be a space that not only will students be able to collaborate in, but they'll be able to network. And we all know how important that is for one's future. It will be that environment that students will want to hang out here on the health science campus and be involved with each other. Again, this collaborative space is something that I've dreamed about since I got here 3.5 years ago. And I hope that you will take a look at the renderings so that you can see that it is close to 3,500 square feet of renovation that will occur. Ben, this donation is very important to us, and I can't thank you enough because it's going to allow our students really and truly to learn to work as a team, as so many of your nursing staff do within your facilities. I'd like to take this moment and thank you for your generosity and invite you to the podium to give a few words.
Thank you, Dean Harden. I appreciate those kind words. Dr. Gonzalez, congratulations to you on what I know has been an incredibly overwhelming day, I'm sure, and in the days and weeks and months ahead, all of us here in the Louisville community are here to support you in anything that we can do. So thank you for taking on the task of what is a big job ahead of you, certainly. I am really quite proud and honored to be here today with you two and with all of you. Representing not just myself giving this gift, but certainly the thousands and thousands of teammates at Kindred Healthcare who work so diligently every day all across the country to provide hope and healing and care and compassion, all of the things that I know, Dean Harden, that you teach here at the University of Louisville's nursing school. And I'm truly excited and honored and humbled that the Kindred Foundation can today make a gift of this size to such an important initiative as what we're going to do here in terms of the renovation of some very important facility work here at the University of Louisville Nursing School. We believe at Kindred that it is absolutely vital to invest in the future of health and well-being in our community and to provide support primarily to this next generation of caregivers. It is so critical that we attract and retain and find a way to motivate this next generation. Nurses, as I have come to certainly know over the many years and have a deep passion for, are truly the foundation and the backbone of our healthcare system. But we know that this is an incredibly challenging environment and that we also know that nursing is facing a critical shortage. I witness this every day all across the country as I watch our incredible caregivers battle not only their normal day-to-day activities, but certainly as they work through this pandemic now for going on 2 years. At Kindred, we've long believed that Louisville is the epicenter for aging and innovation in healthcare. And we have organizations in this community that represent all over the continuum of care. And I know that here at the School of Nursing, there are nurses being trained and being sent out into the workforce all across the continuum in what is truly a dynamic place here in Louisville, Kentucky. Therefore, we believe that our donation to the School of Nursing, and one of our primary goals, was to help the University of Louisville improve the experience and training for students and to continue the university's strong history of developing strong nurse leaders. We expect that the student lounge and the collaboration zone will encourage partnership among the students and support the needs of these well-trained caregivers. And we hope that our investment also, as Dean, as you pointed out, in the medicine training kitchen will develop abilities which put these nurses at the front line of addressing food access and improving healthcare equity for the underserved populations here in this community and in every community across the Commonwealth where U of L trained nurses practice. Overall, our hope is that we can support the future with well-trained caregivers and positively impact the health and well-being of our entire community. And so on behalf of Kindred's dedicated and compassionate team of frontline caregivers and the Kindred Foundation, I think I get to bring over a big styrofoam check to give you, which probably will turn into the real thing quite soon. Dean Harden, Dr. Gonzalez, do you want to take this? Where would you like us?
Right where you are.
Right where I am. So on behalf of here, I'll come over here so the cameras can actually see it. On behalf of the Kindred Foundation, we present this check to the University of Louisville for $950,000. As they would say, use it well. Okay. All right. You got it.
Should put it right up here so everybody can see it. Everybody catch it. Well, again, I'd like to thank all of you for coming today, and especially to Ben. But I got to put one last plug in, and that's for advancement. Our VP of Advancement is here. Jasmine Farrer, raise your hand. She's here with us today, and as well as Angela Sproul, who's also our development officer here in the School of Nursing. And I'm very appreciative for all the work and energy that they have put into helping make today happen as well. So this concludes our press conference, but I'd like to invite all of you to stay for refreshments and the opportunity to walk through the School of Nursing and to actually see the space that we are talking about getting renovated today. So again, thank you.